Our latest Stoma pouch range, Aurum Plus, is designed around what you value most: security, comfort, and healthy skin. Here's everything you need to know about applying and removing your Aurum Plus pouch. Make sure you know the exact size and shape of your stoma before cutting your flange, so you can ensure a perfect fit and create a secure seal around your stoma. Not all stomas are round or circular, and your stoma may change size and shape over time, so it's recommended that you occasionally re-measure your stoma using a measuring guide. Wash your hands before and after you change your pouch. Clean the skin around the stoma, preferably with warm water. Make sure the skin around the stoma is completely dry before applying your pouch, as this will help your pouch adhere to your skin and can help to prevent any leaks. If you use a drainable or urostomy pouch, secure your outlet and tuck it away before getting ready to apply your pouch. Remove the release liner from the flange. Line up your stoma with the hole on your flange and apply your pouch. It might be helpful to start applying your pouch at the bottom of your stoma, working your way up and over towards the top as you stick your flange to your skin. Starting at the centre and moving out towards the edges, apply pressure and smooth out the flange. Keep applying gentle pressure onto the flange until the flange has completely adhered to the skin. Aurum Plus is designed for an improved application, so when the flange is applied to the skin, the risk of creases and leakage channels forming is reduced. If you use a drainable or urostomy pouch, you can empty the contents of your pouch when your pouch is a third or half full, or if your pouch feels bulky and you think you need to empty it. Empty the pouch through the outlet. Clean the outlet and pouch and secure the outlet again. Aurum Plus Urostomy can be connected to a night drainage bag for extra capacity during the night, so you can have a restful sleep without having to wait to empty your pouch. When it's time to remove your pouch, start from the top of the flange and gently peel it back, taking care not to pull at the skin. You might find that a silicone-based medical adhesive remover can help you quickly and easily remove your pouch whilst reducing the risk of skin irritation. Place the used pouch and any wipes into a disposal bag, seal it and put it into the appropriate bin.